In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared folder in OneDrive. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing family photos, learning how to create a shared folder can be incredibly useful for making sure that everyone has access to the files they need without any hassle. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open a web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. It's important to ensure you're using the right browser and that it's up to date to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the prompts on the sign up page. But, for those of you who already have an account, just enter your credentials and hit sign in. Now that you're signed into OneDrive, you'll see your files and folders neatly organized. To create a shared folder, look for an option that says New or a plus icon, typically found at the top menu bar. Click on that, and from the drop-down list, select Folder. A small window will pop up asking you to name your new folder. Choose a name that's descriptive enough so that those you share it with know what to expect. Once you've named your folder, click Create. With your new folder created, it's time to add files to it. Simply click to open the folder you've just made. Inside, you'll see another button that allows you to upload files. You can either upload files directly by dragging them into the folder or clicking on the Upload button to manually select files from your computer. Give it a moment, and soon your files will be securely stored in OneDrive. Now comes the exciting part, sharing your folder. Go back to your OneDrive and find the folder you've just created. Right-click on it, and select the option that says Share. A window will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Make sure the email addresses are valid and accurate to avoid any sharing mishaps. You can also set permissions for your collaborators. Decide whether you want them to be able to view only, or if they should have the ability to edit files within the folder. Once you've set these permissions, you can type a personalized message if you wish. When you're finished, click the Send button to share the folder with your contacts. That's it. Now your shared folder is live, and those you've shared it with will receive an email invitation allowing them quick access. Remember, sharing files in OneDrive doesn't just simplify collaboration, it also offers a secure way to manage your shared content effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your digital collaborations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides like this one.